you to solve your hair problems so that you can achieve all your hair goals. I'm Pallavi and today I'm here with another hairstyle video for this Navratri season. So let's get started with today's video. So if you don't know, I have already done 2 videos which you can wear on this Navratri season. So I will link both the videos up in here. You can go and check that out, and I will also link them in the description box down below. So particularly in this video, I'm going to show you my personal style. So I like to wear some heavy dresses, ethnic dresses in festive season, and I like to wear some heavy jewelry. Most people like to go heavy with their outfit, jewelry and makeup in the festive season. I personally think if you have too much going on with your hair, with some heavy jewelry and heavy outfit, it can get too much overpowering. So I like to keep my hair very simple and it looks really beautiful. So I'm gonna take my ragtail comb and do a middle parting. And for this hairstyle, you would only need a hairband and some U-pins. So I'm going to turn around, take all my hair and tie it into a ponytail. Now I will just take my hair, twist it and just create a simple bun. And I will just use some U-pins to fix my bun in place. Hello everyone, so here is a small announcement. So if you don't know, I am Bengali and Durga Puja is special for me, and I have finalized all my looks, what I'm gonna wear and what I'm gonna do with my hair, and I'm gonna show it to all of you. So I will do 3 videos, my saptami, ashtami and navmi look. So from tomorrow I'm gonna upload these 3 videos, one on each day, and these videos will go up on my channel at 2 PM. So don't forget to check those videos out. So I will see you in my those Durga Puja special videos. If you like this video, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking on my channel icon right here. I will see you in my next video. Until then, don't forget to love your hair. Bye.